Welcome to this tutorial. How to format a hard drive for both Windows and Mac. Are you struggling to format your hard drive to work on both Windows and Mac? In this video, you'll learn how to format any external hard drive or USB for both systems. Let's jump straight into the first method on Windows. Format a hard drive on Windows. Connect your external hard drive to your Windows PC. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Right-click on the connected drive and select Format. Under File System, choose exFAT from the drop-down menu. Leave allocation unit size to default. Type a name in the volume label field if you want to rename the drive. Uncheck Quick Format if you want a full format, optional but slower. Click Start to begin formatting and click on the OK button. Wait until the process completes and click OK to finish. Safely eject the drive by right-clicking and choosing Eject. Format a hard drive on Mac using exFAT, Mac. Connect the external drive to your Mac. Open Disk Utility from Spotlight or Launchpad. Select your external drive from the left sidebar. Click on the Erase tab at the top. Choose exFAT from the Format drop-down list. Enter a name for the drive if needed. Make sure the scheme is set to GID partition map. Click Erase and confirm the action. Wait for the process to complete. Click Done once the format is finished. This is how you format any hard drive or USB stick to work with both Windows and Mac. Wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.